Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma, and today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2018 Infiniti QX60 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. Beautiful condition inside and out, nice color combination, and white on wheat leather. This one was retired from our service loaner fleet. The way that works is when you're a certified pre-owned Infiniti customer or a brand new Infiniti customer, you get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended service stays, and that's good at any Infiniti dealership in the country. And this actually happens to be for sale as a certified pre-owned Infiniti. So you would qualify for a complimentary service loaner vehicle when you come in for extended service stays if you happen to purchase this beautiful QX60. This one was once a new vehicle in our inventory. We plucked it out of our new inventory and put it in loaner car service for about a year. Actually, in this case, this was a little bit longer, it's 2 years, but it still only has 13,553 miles. Now it's been retired, it's been in our care its whole life, and it's for sale as a certified pre-owned Infiniti, and with only 13,553 miles, it is quite a deal. Don't tell the new car salespeople I told you this, but you can park this next to a 2020 QX60. It's going to look pretty much the same. There's really not any big changes for 2020. They did shuffle around some of the option packages and standard equipment, but if you're looking for a bargain, I think this is an excellent one with such low miles. And you get that Infiniti pre-owned certification. It has a 6-year, 75,000 mile warranty that starts from the in-service date. And that covers about 1,400 components, and you still have a ton of factory bumper-to-bumper warranty left and powertrain warranty. CVT transmission to maximize performance and efficiency, power and heated front seats, drive mode selector makes changes to transmission shifting, throttle sensitivity, things like that for different driving situations. HD radio, backup camera, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes, beautiful leather interior. The QX60 is a mid-size luxury crossover with third row seating and available of either front wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Most of the ones that you'll find in our inventory will be all-wheel drive like this one. And it's intelligent all-wheel drive, so when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will be front-wheel drive to help save on fuel economy and on tires. But can quickly send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the rear wheels for excellent non-slip starts and excellent traction in wet, slippery conditions. Second row seats, they slide back and forth. They also recline. Power rear liftgate. You have a little bit of extra storage under here. The second row seats fold flat. Third row seats fold flat as well. For those of you who have kids in forward-facing car seats, I'll have you know that the second row passenger side latch system is designed to have a forward-facing car seat in place with the ability to fold the seat forward for third row access without having to move that forward-facing car seat. A lot of the competition, the way the latch system is designed, you actually have to remove that car seat in order to fold that seat forward for third row access. Kind of a pain. I have a 3-year-old in a forward-facing car seat, and I would hate to do that every time I needed a third row access. Luckily for me, I have a 12-passenger van, so space is never an issue with my family. (2018) is a great year for the QX60 because in 2017, the amazing 3.5 liter V6 was upgraded to direct injection, giving you 30 more horsepower for a total of 295 horsepower. Direct injection sends highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. Generally, that gives you more horsepower, lower emissions, and better fuel efficiency. Kind of hear that clicking, clattering noise. That's just the way direct injection sounds. I think it's those high pressure fuel injectors that give it that slightly louder idling. But I can tell you, it might be a little bit louder when idling, but once you're in it and moving, it's not going to be any louder than a regular direct injection V6 engine. And that extra 30 horsepower definitely makes up for the extra little noise you get while it's idling. If you're in the market for a QX60 or third row luxury crossover, this one's well worth a look. Certified pre-owned, very low miles. Come in, take it for a drive, and thanks for watching this video.